Hey, I'm gonna make Cynthia smoothies today, which is on our website, on Plant Life Journey's website. Go to recipes and scroll down for Cynthia's smoothie. So the simple ingredients are kale, frozen bananas, frozen pineapple, coconut water, and lime, and ginger. But I'm just gonna talk a little bit more about the ingredients, and because we're making this every day and it's really good and my husband likes it. So I got this, the baby kale on sale, and you can get the lacinato kale or the curly kale, whatever kale is available. And then sometimes if you get one of these packages with spinach or any kind of greens, you could put a dry paper towel in there to just kind of help prolong the life of your greens. When your bananas get spotty like this, I always put 2 in the freezer. So I always have 2 in the freezer. So every day when I use my 2 frozen bananas, I'll just re-add my 2, my 2 fresh bananas here. If you peel the bananas from the end, like the monkeys do, usually you get less, I didn't do it very good, but you get less of the pithy parts. So maybe I should try that again. Didn't really work that good. But anyway, trust me, it's better to not get the little doodads, you know, whatever these little things are, stringy guys. Okay, and then for coconut water, I usually get the Trader Joe's kind, but there's other brands out there, I'm sure, and just want to read the ingredients because you just want coconut water and maybe some ascorbic acid to maintain color. Shouldn't be any other sugars or whatever. And then for ginger, I usually do about a knob. You don't have to peel. I'm also going to throw in a knob of turmeric. You know, the turmeric also kind of looks like the ginger, but the fresh turmeric is good for you. So we're going to throw some of that in. Lime is the other ingredient, and I cut my limes up now differently than just quartering. I cut around the little stem part or the little center part because I saw a video that showed that you just got a lot more lime juice if you cut around. So that's what I do, get more lime juice. And then we do about a half a bag of organic pineapple. So I usually keep that on hand. And if you want a little extra sweetness, I'm gonna add 2 medjool dates. So that's the recipe. It's really simple and delicious. Dates, if they're not soft already and I'm taking the pit out, I get the medjool dates and take the pit out. These are pretty soft, but you might wanna soak them in warm water. And then you can even use some of that water that they were soaking in to help sweeten. And pineapple. All right, this is gonna get loud. And it's a pretty color green, and I hope you enjoy Cynthia smoothie on our website.